Hello guys and girls out there, wherever you are. Welcome to another totally random video. And in today's video I want to show you I would say one of the most popular flashlights in the world. Or it's definitely one of the most well-known flashlights. It's the Fulton MX991U. So if the camera would focus, it says US MX 991U. So this is the descendant of the Fulton MS 122D, which has been introduced in, I believe, 1944. And you can see right here it says Fulton made in USA. Again, if the camera would focus. Yeah, so this actually used to be the brown US military version, but I spray painted it black because I wanted to have the black law enforcement version, but I couldn't really find one. And I also don't want to spend, or I didn't want to spend more money on shipping than what the actual flashlight is worth. So I just spray painted it black because apparently the color of the flashlight kind of indicates who's using this flashlight. So olive or brown is US military. Then there is also gray, which is also US military and Air Force. There is khaki, which is US military when they are in the desert. Then there is one with white caps and a teal body, which is telecommunication for some reason. Then there is also one with a black body and yellow caps. And this one, I don't know who is using this one. It just says that it's explosion proof for some reason. So yeah, and black is law enforcement. So let me just show you what this thing has, what it can do. So first of all, you have this thing right here that you can unscrew like this, and you put in the various different filters. Then we have this really nice and sturdy clip right here. We have the on-off switch, so if we flip it once, we can use this button right here to turn it on and off like so. So in case you want to do Morse code and things like that. The light actually isn't as white as it appears on the camera. It's just the white balance. It uses a regular bulb, so there is no LED inside. And if we flip it a second time, well, then it's constantly turned on. Then we have a little thing right here so we can hang it somewhere. Very nice. We can unscrew the entire bottom. So it uses two mono D batteries. Inside here we can take out this spring. So inside here we have a replacement bulb. And come on. Not that easy. There we go. And if we unscrew the bottom again, so here you can also see This is what it used to look like before I spray painted it. And in the bottom we have various different filters. So I don't know if this is really a filter. Maybe it's in case you wanna, I don't know, if you want to do Morse code or something like this, I don't know. Then we have, for some reason, 2 red ones. We have one, excuse me, one, I don't know, dark blue or kind of violet, purple kind of color. And we also have this clear one, which is supposed to spread the light. So I'm going to show you what these filters look like in action in a few seconds. And also I think those filters are also different depending on what kind of version you get, because usually when you get the black version you only have a red and a blue filter. You don't get the other 3 for some reason. So now I want to show you how you can replace the bulb. So you unscrew the entire thing, just like so. Also, well, let me just show you what the original version from the 90s used to look like. So it used to look kind of like this. So you didn't have an extra attachment for filters or something like this. So you only had the light bulb in there. So this is what the older version used to look like. So here we have this thing. There is another glass inside to protect the light bulb, of course. But if you can also take out the entire thing, you just pull it out. But if you want to replace the bulb, you hold it and you unscrew this little clear piece of plastic that holds the light bulb, and there you go. This is how you replace the light bulb in this Fulton. So you just screw it back in. And then you put it back in here. And there you go. You're ready to use. Okay, so now let me show you what those filters look like in action. Okay, so now it's dark. So first we have the white filter, which is really just, well, it filters the light white. And I mean, you can see a little bit with it, but well, not really that much. So I really assume that this filter is just for doing Morse code or things like that. Okay, and this is what the normal light looks like. So it's, well, it's very center oriented, if I should say it like this. Now this is the clear one that is spreading the light a little bit more, as you can tell. Reminds me of the movie The Fountain with Hugh Jackman. So that's this. Okay, then we have the red one, Well, of course, the camera picks up infrared things that the human eye can't see, so it looks a lot brighter on the camera than it actually is. It's not really that bright. And then of course there is, I don't even know what color it is, dark blue, violet, purple, I don't know. But as you can tell, it's not really that bright. It's really dark. And I also don't know what you're using this filter for. I mean, it's not ultraviolet or anything like this, so I assume that it's not possible to check if money is real or fake or something like that. But yeah, that's just the way it is. So there you have it. This is the Fulton MX991U. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I see you in the next totally random video. Bye.